Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by backing up critical data and confirming the battery level or power connection. This prevents interruptions. Once done, shut down the Macbook and note the exact model and year so you know the correct reset procedure and screw types. If you will open the chassis, make sure you have a Phillips screwdriver, a spudger, and an ESD strap to avoid static damage. Next, power cycle and perform an SMC reset first, because it often clears false battery service warnings. You should run Apple Diagnostics by restarting and holding D. Note any battery error codes so you know whether it is software or hardware. Then perform the SMC reset tailored to your model. Use the T2 chip method if applicable. Otherwise, follow the Intel keyboard steps, because SMC controls battery reporting. Once reset, run diagnostics again. If you open the case, visually inspect the battery connector for loose pins, corrosion, or swelling. A poor connection often triggers a service-recommended message. You now reseat the battery connector, and if needed, replace the battery with an OEM or reputable high-quality third-party unit, since improved cells and firmware compatibility fix many errors. Once installed, rerun the SMC reset and Apple Diagnostics, then check cycle count and health and system information to confirm resolution. If the message persists, try an NVRAM reset, and as a last software step, reinstall Mac OS. If none work, contact Apple or a trusted repair shop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.